Hello my dear beautiful 4th grade students. A very good morning to all. How are you? How are you students? I hope you are good, isn't ma? Okay. So are you happy today? Are you happy? Are you ready to learn the class? Are you ready to listen the class ma? Is or no? Yes, listen. So you all like English subject. So you are very happy and very ready to listen the subject, isn't ma? Okay. So today I welcome you to an English online class. Okay. So what did you learn in the previous class, students? What did you learn in the previous class? Yeah, we have learned lesson 2 from New Pathways isn't ma? Yes. So what is the title of that lesson, ma? What is the title of lesson 2? Yeah, Bambi, isn't ma? Bambi. So I have given the characters, I have listed the characters and I have explained the story. Am I right? Yes? Okay. So are you clear in the story? Are you clear in the story, ma? Is that no? Yes? Okay, so did you read the book when you get free? Did you read the book, ma, when you are getting free times? Have you read the book? Is that no? I told you to read the book, is it? Yeah, I have read only one page. So remaining page I told you to read. So have you read, ma? Have you read the book? Yes? Okay, so those who read, very good students. So those who forgot to read the book, so next, okay, I am giving one chance to you. So when you are getting free time, you can start to read the book. Okay, ma? So when you are reading the book, you can improve your reading practice. Okay? Okay. So today, okay, in this class, we can learn lesson 2 notes. Okay, ma? Lesson 2 notes. So today in this class, we can learn meanings, opposite and verb form. Okay, ma? Meanings, opposite and verb form. Okay. So you just listen to me. Okay. Today you don't want to take any notes or anything. If you want to take, okay, if you want to keep your new pathway book with you, keep your new pathway book. Okay, ma? So now I am, okay, explaining the meanings, opposite, framed sentence from lesson 2. Okay. So just you listen to me. Okay, ma? Okay. So just see here, ma. Can you see? Can you see the book? Yes? Okay, okay. So first you listen. So lesson 2, okay ma? Lesson 2. So the title of the lesson is Bambi, is in B-A-M-B-I, Bambi. So this Bambi is an young deer, is in young deer, okay? So I hope you have understood the story. So first we can see the synonyms, okay ma? Synonyms. So synonyms means meanings, okay? So first we can see the meanings of this lesson. So listen ma, the first meaning is roe deer, okay? Roe deer. So look at the spelling, R-O-E, roe, D-E-E-R, okay? Roe deer. So, okay, so in the story itself we have learned, see? So what is the meaning of roe deer ma? Yeah, roe deer means a small deer. Okay, ma? A small deer. So, in the story, which is the small deer? In the story, which is the small deer, ma? Yeah, Bambi. Isn't Bambi is the small deer. Okay. So, the second question is Hastily. Okay. H-A-S-T-I-L-Y. Hastily. Okay. So, the meaning of hastily is quickly. Okay. Quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. Okay. Quickly means you know is it fastly. Okay. So, the meaning of hastily is yeah, quickly. Okay. Next, third question. Okay. Third question. Puzzled. Okay. Puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled. Okay. So the meaning of puzzled is confused. So you know what is meant by confused, is it? Yeah, confused means yeah, something we are confused. So when you are in the confused mood, what will happen? Yeah, you will be very moved out, isn't ma? So that is, okay. So puzzled means, yeah, confused. So look at the spelling of confused. C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D. Confused. Okay, ma? Okay. Next, the fourth question, okay. Fourth question is twig. T-W-I-G, okay. Twig. So the meaning of twig is a small branch, okay. A small branch. So what is the meaning of branch, ma? You know what is the meaning of small, isn't? Small means very short. So what is the meaning of branch? Yeah, branch means some of the leaves, okay. So some of the leaves we will call them as branch, okay. So for twig meaning is a small branch. Okay, are you clear? Okay, and the next last question is bounded, okay. So bounded, B-O-U-N-D-E-D, bounded, okay. So the meaning of bounded is leap, L-E-A-P, leap, okay. So once again I am repeating the spelling, leap, L-E-A-P, leap, okay ma. So are you clear in the meanings? That means are you clear in synonyms? Yes? Okay, so shall we go to opposite? That means antonyms. So antonyms is opposite, isn't? Okay, so shall we go to opposite? Okay, so look at the opposite, ma. Antonyms, okay. The first antonym is slow, okay. So what is the opposite of slow? Yeah, you know, isn't? Fast, okay. So the opposite of slow is fast, F-A-S-T, fast. And the second one, okay, second one is calm. So what is the meaning of calm? C-A-L-M, calm. What is the meaning of calm, ma? Calm means very silent, okay, ma? Calm means very silent. So for calm, okay, so the opposite of calm is stormy, S-T-O-R-M-Y, okay, stormy. So the meaning of stormy means, yeah, very windy, okay. So how the winds will blow? Heavy winds. How the heavy winds will blow, ma? Yeah, if the heavy winds blow means, okay, so every dusters will flow, isn't ma? Yeah, so that is the stormy, okay. So calm means very silent, okay. So the meaning of calm, sorry, the opposite of calm is, yeah, stormy. Stormy means, yeah, that is not a silent, it will be a heavy wind, okay, like that. Next, third, okay. So listen to the third question. Sad. So you know, sad means, you know, isn't? Yeah. So the opposite of sad is, yeah, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, okay, ma. Next, fourth question. Noble, N-O-B-L-E, okay, noble. So the opposite of noble is humble, okay, H-U-M-B-L-E, humble, okay. So once again I am repeating, students, listen. So the noble, okay, the opposite of noble is humble, H-U-M-B-L-E, humble, okay. And the last opposite is glide, okay, G-L-I-D-E, glide, okay, ma. So the opposite of glide is hurtle, okay, hurtle, H-U-R-T-L-E, okay, hurtle, okay. Have you understood, ma? Have you understood? Okay, so are you thorough in synonyms and antonyms? Yes? Okay, so I hope you have understood, isn't ma? Okay, next we can see the Roman letter 3, verb form, okay, verb form. So in the last lesson also we have learned verb form, isn't? Yeah, we have learned 3 parts of verb form. One is present tense, and other one is past tense, and other one is past participle, isn't ma? Yes? Okay, so in the last class itself I have explained what is meant by present tense and what is meant by past tense and what is meant by past participle, isn't ma? Yeah, so in that last lesson also we have learned some of the words. So in this lesson also we are going to learn some of the words, okay, ma? So in the present tense, okay, ma? So present tense, feel. So feel is the present tense, okay? So what is the past tense of feel, ma? What is the past tense of feel? Yeah, felt, okay, F-E-L-T, felt, okay, ma? So the past tense of feel is felt, F-E-L-T, L-T, felt. Next, what is the past participle of feel? What is the past participle of feel? Yeah, it is also felt, okay, F-E-L-T, felt, okay. So, for present tense, okay, the present tense of feel, okay, for present tense of feel, so the past tense and past participle is the same, okay. So, what is the past tense and past participle of feel? Yeah, felt, okay, F-E-L-T, felt, okay. Next, second word, look at the second word, ma. Come, okay, the present tense is come. So, what is the past tense of come? Yeah, came, okay, C-A-M-E, came. So, next, what is the past participle of come? Yeah, come, okay, C-O-M-E, come, okay. So, for present tense come, the past tense is came, C-A-M-E, came. And the past participle is come, C-O-M-E, come, okay. So, in this word come, present tense and past participle is same, okay. In this word come, present tense and past participle is same, okay ma. So, have you understood? Okay, next see the third word, okay. Third word is fall, F-A-L-L, fall, okay. Present tense is fall. So, what is the past tense of fall? What is the past tense of fall, ma? Yeah, fell, F-E-L-L, fell, okay. So, the past tense of fall is fell, F-E-L-L, fell. And the past participle of fall is fallen, F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen. Okay, ma? So, have you understood? So, once again I am repeating the present tense of fall, okay, fall. Fall is the present tense. So, the past tense of fall is F-E-L-L, fell. Okay, ma? The past tense of fall is, yeah, fell, F-E-L-L, fell. And the past participle of fall is fallen, F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen. Okay, so have you understood? Okay, and the next, fourth one. Look at the fourth one, okay. So, begin is the present tense, okay, B-E-G-N, begin. Begin means, yeah, something we are beginning new, isn't it? So, begin is the present tense. So, what is the past tense of begin? What is the past tense of begin, ma? Yeah, began. That means begin. Past tense means what happened in the past, isn't ma? Yes, so that is okay, the present tense of begin, okay. So, for this begin, the past tense is began, B-E-G-A-N, begin, okay ma. And the next, past participle, okay. So, the past participle of begin is begun, B-E-G-U-N, okay ma. So, only one spelling is different. Okay, so present tense begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin, okay. So the past tense is began, B-E-G-A-N, okay. Only this spelling will be very different, B-E-G-A-N, began. And the past participle is begun, B-E-G-U-N, began. Okay, are you clear, ma? Okay, so and the last, okay, last word is do, okay. The present tense is do. So what is the past tense of do? Yeah, did, D-I-D, okay, did. Past tense of do is, yeah, did. And the past participle of do is done, D-O-N-E, okay, done. Have you understood, ma? Okay, so are you clear in the synonyms, antonyms and verb form? Okay, so listen students. So when you are studying verb form, please study the spellings correctly, okay, ma? Yeah, if you did if you committed one mistake in the spelling, so totally will be wrong, okay ma. So when you are studying verb form, you want to study very clearly, you want to study the spelling, okay. Okay students, so have you understood ma? Have you understood? Okay, so I will give this notes to a group, okay, I will send the notes to the group. So you want to complete these notes in the classwork note, okay ma? English classwork note. You want to complete these notes in English classwork note. So have you started a cursive writing? Have you started your cursive writing, ma? So what is the this week homework? Yeah, cursive writing page number 2, isn't ma? So complete your page number 2. Okay, and come and get correction in Saturday. Okay, so those who didn't get correction in the last Saturday, so please complete it and come in this Saturday and get correction. Okay, ma. So soon I will send this note in the WhatsApp group, and you want to complete this note in the English classwork note. Okay. Okay, so today this much enough, ma. So today shall we end the class? Yes? Okay, so today we can end the class. So be safe with your family, enjoy your life well, and don't forget your study portion. Okay? Please study your study portions clearly. Okay, ma? So we can meet in the next class, students. Thank you.